what's going on, everybody? Welcome once again to Analyme TV. I'm your host, Nelson Arevalo Jr., and welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, guys, I would really appreciate it if you could please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate the support. 80% of people that watch do not subscribe. Do not be part of that 80. Be part of that 20. Support me. Give me that love, baby. Anyways, guys, today I have the review of the Air Jordan 1 high top. It is the Heritage colorway. But before we begin, I do have to say that if you could please check out my Instagram at LMNYC, give me a follow, and if you want to cop some merch, get fly, get drippy, go to my website, lmnyc.com. Thank you so much. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's go, baby. Here we have, instead of your regular glossy Air Jordan 1 box, we have that matte finish, which is the all white box with the red removable lid, just like any other Jordan 1 box. And it says Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. The color is white, University red, and black. So blanc, noir, University rouge. Size, these are a 10.5. You know, that's my size of Jordan 1s. So I was on the fence. I bought these. I was just curious. I don't know. I was on the fence about these. So, but yeah, I don't really like them. But you know, I'm just reviewing it for you guys. You know, let me know how you guys feel about the shoe. But I did see that there was an OG colorway similar to this color blocking, but instead of red, it was blue. Back in the day, Jordan dropped a similar version of these with blue. I'm just really sad of the leather, of the material quality of this. You know, we got good leather where it's red, but we don't get good leather where it's white. It's really thick white leather. I don't even know if this is leather. I could be mistaken, guys, but just the material quality of the white part of the shoe, not really happy about it. But on the black part and on the red part, we do get that tumble, soft, buttery leather. So that's cool, even on the swoosh. But yeah, guys, let's start with the outsole. We got that all red bottom outsole. The midsole, we got that white midsole. Then we work our way to the top. The heel is red. Just the color blocking is just super weird on this shoe. I'm not used to seeing so much white on the Air Jordan 1 box. But you see on the toe cap that is red, we got that typical tongue of that nylon material with that tag, Nike Air on the tongue, infamous Jordan logo on the side. But yeah, guys, this is the Air Jordan 1 Heritage. Comes with black laces. They also give you the option of white and red laces, which is interesting. But yeah, guys, let me know how you guys feel about this shoe. Is it a cop? Is it a drop? Just wanted to show you guys a little bit about the shoe. I'm not sure why it's called the Heritage, but I'm assuming they're reaching back to the roots with that color blocking that I said earlier with the blue. The red just represents the Chicago Bulls, I would assume. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys have any questions for me, leave it in the comment section. Give me a like, give me a dislike. I don't care. I love the haters. Makes me stronger. Let's go, baby. Follow me on Instagram at LMNYC. If you want to get fly, go to my website, lmnyc.com. Thank you so much. Until the next one, deuces.